Hey, what's up, guys? It's Sami again here from Netherlands. I hope you enjoy these days. And without further ado, let's check it out what I wanna do. Today we don't want to make a program or something like that. But today I want to introduce something to you as a program. These days I'm working on an application and it's made it on Python, and it's a GUI application. It says we have a graphical interface, and uh, this is the program what I'm working on it. It's very simple. You have here something to text, and you have here something to give your text add to the application. If you give for example, I do this, I'm going to clear it. It is like an terminal. Let me say, you give something, you get something back. Okay, and here in this case what it's doing for us, we have internet, we have everything, but we have everything at one client here. And now let's check it out. Show me what it can do for us. For example, I say here Bitcoin price, bad command, are some BTC. For example, I want to see BTC price 20,000. Give me again price. You see, it's changed just a matter of time. Okay, and now awesome, give me Ethereum price. We have to make this a little bit beautiful, because you see here we have to change at the right place, but price is 12. And what more, this is right now 2 coins, but you are be able with this syntax is awesome. Is you when you say awesome, is going to say you have to understand me with this word, and this is the connection between us and this application. I say okay, awesome, for example, and this is coin name, and then price. This is the syntax. Okay, if you type this with any type of symbol of the coin, you get the price here. It doesn't matter which coin is that. Okay, this is one. Okay, it give us price, for example. Okay, what more? For example, you are now at the time be able to search about something, or to search about some, for example, see that awesome. Let's search for us what you find. It's going to search something for us and give us something bad about that specific input. Okay, now let's say give me some help, or some help, and it should give some info. And this is just not complete, it's just a skeleton or a structure to make it as further as this. Okay, and now for example, we are be able to make connection with all endpoints. How? And now let's, for example, first I want to say make Ethereum wallet, or some make Ethereum wallet. Okay, this is the syntax. You make for me Ethereum wallet. Boom, here, for example. This is private key, this is address, and again make it for me, or some make Ethereum wallet. You see, you get new one. For example, or some make BTC wallet, or that was something else. Or some make Bitcoin wallet. Oh yeah, here. For example, let's wait again. I'm going to copy it, clear text. I say this here. This is private key, this is address, and this is going also. And again, what we get there, let's see. For example, are some give me coin. Okay. Now this is under we are busy to make it. It is going to send a request to a specific endpoint that you given here and give you some result. Okay. And now wait, I don't know. For example, I say exchange exchange. I don't have that yet. For example, coin info or some coin info coin info coin info. What is this? Let's see what is that. It's going to connect to an endpoint somewhere, and it give you some info about coins and things. Let me see. For example, are some operation system. For example, oh. For example, give me the name of the PC that you are working on. For example, IP address, or what is that? Or for example, HDD. It give me info about hard drives. If I'm type here, these are too many reserve words, and I don't know. I forget too much them. But this is just the type of introduction, and we are going. I am working on it, and I want to make it as a just beautiful. If I'm implementing that plans, we will be able to make transaction here from here. Okay, without logging in nowhere. This is the point. This is the structure of this software that I'm working on, and I believe that it's going to be a beautiful software. That's why I'm coming today here. It was just an instruction, and I think and I believe we are going to record a video also about it. Guys, don't take it so easy. It has something to till now it has something about 4,000 lines of code, and that's just a start of the code. Okay, this is simple. Okay, you can only type one, but each of your text, each of your input makes different function there, and for each of these inputs this application should do something completely different. Okay, this is for today. Get this now, and I see you in the next one, and have a nice day.